think you're ready to buy a house. That's cute. Let's really make sure you're not ruining your financial future for granite countertops. First up, down payment. You probably already know this one, but here's the twist. It's not just the amount of money you need for the down payment. You also need money set aside for closing costs, which is basically the congratulations tax the system charges you simply for existing. You can expect somewhere between 2 to 5% of the purchase price of the home. And yes, you need that money in your bank account, not your friend's crypto wallet, and not a promise from your Aunt Linda. The second thing you need to look into is credit score. Again, you probably already know this. Essentially, this is your dating profile for the mortgage world. If your score is above 740, well, you're a hottie. Are you in the 600s? Well, then you're all right. Someone worthy settling down for, but don't fool yourself. You're not the hottie. Under 580, boy, you got some work to do. You might get lucky here and there, but we know you ain't scoring. Come on now. The next thing you gotta ensure of is your pre-approval readiness. What is pre-approval readiness? These are essentially a set of documents you gotta prepare ahead of time before you speak with a lender. So what kind of documents do you need? Well, you need your pay stubs, bank statements, tax returns, and a full blood analysis. Just kidding, you don't need a full blood analysis, just a sample is fine. And the last thing you gotta prepare for is your job stability. Have you been at your current job for more than 2 years? Having instability in your employment, it's a big red flag for lenders, and it can dramatically affect your rates. If you've been job hopping recently, or you've been out of work for a while, or you're doing side gigs and side hustles, it's probably a better decision to wait on purchasing the home until you gain some stability financially first. Essentially, lenders, they want you to be a Toyota Camry. And here's what a lot of people don't talk about, which is life alignment, and that's what I'm dedicated to focus on. What does that mean? Do you actually want the responsibilities that comes with home ownership? You're not just buying the walls and the roof. You're buying into everything that's involved with maintaining the home. Figuring out what that smell is. Did something burn? Why is your HVAC system not working properly? Spending the whole weekend going back and forth from Home Depot and Lowe's because you're trying to do something you thought was simple, but it's taking you the entire weekend to do. If maintaining a home does not sound fun to you, renting is not as bad as people make it out to be. Bottom line, before you start scrolling and drooling over all the listings you see on Zillow, make sure you got some money in the bank, acceptable credit score, ideally in the hottie zone, a lender who's gone through those documents and has given you a pre-approval. And you're looking at homes that actually supports your life rather than what you think you need to look good to everybody else. And if all of that lines up, you may be ready to buy a home. In the next video, chapter 1.2, we'll go over the pre-approval process and why it is not a formality, but a requirement. Trust me, something you're gonna wanna get before you even start your house hunt. So follow along. I'm here to make sure that you don't buy a house and regret it faster than your last Tinder date.